iPhone 7 repair video. See the home button? It's right there. That is what we are going to be taking off and then doing whatever's next in the tutorial that we've been working through in this series, this whole series of let's see if that's inside out. No! Computer just went off. I have to log back in. So yeah, right after I get chat set up here, we will be ready to rock and roll. It has been a rough start tonight, today, whatever time it is, wherever you are in the world. Okay, let's open, and we have cool. Just getting chat open, as this is a video and a stream. And so I was having trouble with this the other day when I started, and so I don't know, it's a slightly different model than the one in the tutorial I've been watching, and so I wonder if there's just like this little lip maybe that's making it harder for me, but we're just gonna keep going. We're gonna see how it goes, and if it's not, because I did look at it. I looked at it a little bit before I started streaming, and I was like, oh, I can make that work. I should be able to make that work. What's confusing is that this little thing, this little lip right here, is it looks like it's going down, and it's also going across. And based on what his thing looks like, it should just go across. So that's kind of confusing to me. You know, and I'm realizing he doesn't have this screw, these two screws up here, or this screw up here. So it might be a little bit different on this model, since this is the whatever we said it was, A1784 maybe. So I think I'm going to try and take this off. That looks like a Phillips. I don't know, do I have, is this Phillips? I don't think that's a Phillips. So I'm going to take the Phillips. Hi Lauren, welcome to the stream. What's going on? Yeah, I'm going to take this off. This just looks logical to me. It's this other screw that's holding the back plate, I guess it's called on. I don't know, whatever it's called. I guess the other one must have popped out. That might be one of my foreign screws. But yeah, so the back plate, basically, I'll show the camera. Let's see. It's this right here. That screw. Let's see. A little bit of delay. That screw right there is the screw that I took out. So that screw is going to go into number 24. And now I kind of feel like the black plate will come out without the home button. Kind of lifting at it right now. Will that bend? Huh. Looks like there's something over here to the right that doesn't want to move. Yeah. Whoa. Well, I guess that started to move. It just seems like there's these plugs. So how do these plugs work? Well, I'm very confused at this point. Maybe I should just... I kind of want to look at another video. Um, I think I am going to do that. I'm going to type in... Oh man, I should get the keyboard over here. Will it reach? Hi, Camelo. What's going on? Um, Dang, I'm using a different computer right now. If I was using my computer, the keyboard would reach. Or like, I don't understand why people say said hi. Why do you guys do that? But I'm using this computer that's slightly further away. It'll teach me. I was like, oh, I have things already plugged into it. It'd make things easier. All kinds of technical difficulties over here all the time, man. Um, yeah, it's really, I really have a long way to go. All right. We'll do what we can with what we've got. So what am I typing in? I'm typing in how to remove back plate from, what are we on? iPhone 1784. 1784. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. What's going on, chat? What's everybody up to tonight, today? Where are you? Where are you chatting in from? This lists all of them. It's like 1775, or it lists like multiple. Kamel, I am trying to replace the battery and the screen on an iPhone 7 Plus. But currently, I'm trying to remove the back plate. Do you know anything about that? And probably the home button. Oh no, it's one of these videos without talking. We'll have none of that. None of that. We want people to explain how to remove iPhone 1784. How to remove backplate from iPhone 17. How about just how to iPhone 74 teardown? How about that? This is like, yes. Okay, well, this doesn't specify the 74, but it's a 28-minute video. It's tearing it down. So let's do that. Seriously, again, no talking? It does look like a good video otherwise. What are you doing with that?
Screws, and then the metal
bracket. Oh, there's talking. Okay.
An ambient light sensor.
Very robotic talking.
Remove the following 5 Phillips screws, followed by the metal clip they.
Ooh, this is a good video. I found a good video. All right, I'll copy and paste it. I'll put it in the chat. This is the video. I don't know if it's... We'll see. I just like the style of it. Boom. Boom.
Secure and play.
All right. The timestamp we're at is like 3:53 on this video.
Easily extract a stereo enabling speaker.
Yeah, I did that.
Use the tweezers to help remove the tangled up iPhone 7 Plus front-facing camera cable assembly. It includes the front-facing screws and then the metal bracket.
Okay. Yay. Step 6. All right, this is it. 4:32. This is where we are in real life and in the video. Like,
Remove the following
I
4
think.
tri-point screws and then the metal bracket.
Okay, we did this already. Darn it. Come on. No chapters in this video. What are you doing at 4?
Separating the solid-state iPhone 7 Plus home button is simple, with only light adhesive on the cable and no delicate gasket.
I have no idea. What, like, at 4:48 or whatever, what was that? Like, prop something with a thumb. Like, what was that? The thing I've been talking about. So using tweezers. Oh, man. I gotta get in close for this. What is happening? Oh, did you just stick tweezers under the whole thing?
Gasket. Separating the solid-state iPhone 7 Plus home button is simple.
Okay.
Light adhesive on the cable.
He unplugged. There's something plugged into the home button. Like at the step, there's like some.
The following 4 tri-point screws and then the metal bracket.
What timestamp is this? Okay, it's timestamp 4:48. Yeah, it is 4:48. Nice. I'm trying to see how he disconnects that little thing at 4:48 because I'm scared that I'm going to do that wrong. I'm going to try. I'm going to try. All right. What does he use? Oh, I just did it. Okay, this was the tool that was the most easy to do it. I just stuck it in there. These tweezers that are curved. I just stuck it between the thing. And then, all right, now what? What's the next tool?
Separating the solid-state iPhone 7 Plus home button.
All right, so then you move this one. It folds sort of up and out of the way, and then I think dude sticks tweezers behind that. I believe adhesive. Is it an adhesive? It feels like not an adhesive. And the other tutorial was using this thing. So I'm kind of, uh-oh. Did I just do something bad? I'm just trying not to rip it. Like if it's adhesive, it needs to all be, uh-oh. It needs to all be together. I feel like I'm ripping it. Like, is it, what does he say?
Separating the solid-state iPhone 7 Plus home button is simple, with only light adhesive on the cable and no delicate gasket.
With only light adhesive on the cable and no delicate gasket? I'm just trying to see how he disconnects the adhesive. Like, that is... Like, what would be a gasket? The adhesive goes around these little pins. Uh-oh. It looks like he works hard to get the tweezers under a corner of the adhesive, which I'm struggling to do. And this adhesive has to conduct electricity to some degree, right? Because there's all these electronics connected to it. I really am a bit flummoxed as to how to do this. I'm just sort of picking... It is coming up. You know, like I am just sort of working at it. I think I'm making I'm making progress. All right, so I think the key is to not like put too much pressure on any one part. You just sort of do all the parts at the same time. You just sort of work your way across, you know. It's like if you're taking off a lid. Okay, the home button is off. I am concerned that I damaged it. You know, like it looks about the same. I didn't really tear anything. It's just, I don't know, whatever. Okay, so there's the home button. Awesome. What's next? We're gonna go back to the other video, the Uber Geeks video. I guess I can link this one. This is the one we've been working with. it's linked to the other videos. So, yeah. Why can I not hear you?
Once you're done with that, we're going to remove the back plate. So we want to save the back plate and then transfer over to the new screen.
It's removing the black plate. I may have to watch the other video again because if it doesn't come off, because there's this there's this piece. Oh, okay. I think I just need to peel that. Well, hopefully that's what needed to happen. If I shouldn't have peeled that, then I don't know what to say. Yeah, I think I just peel this. I think it's just adhesive. Right? Is it just adhesive? Oof, that feels weird. Alright, back to the other video. To do. Step 7.
Remove the falling Phillips screw.
What? Oh,
Then the 5 tri-point screws.
Oh, now it has you removing all the screws for the screws, all the back plate. I already did all that. This is step 7. We're on timestamp 544 on the iPhone Plus teardown and reassembly guide. Okay, he uses tweezers again. What are you doing with the tweezers around that? It just looks like a pad. Oh, there's something
With no
around.
adhesive on the iPhone 7 Plus LCD shield plate, and the cable's nicely managed, simply lift it away from the display assembly.
Okay, there's something around this little pad. So there's this little pad thing. There's something around it that we have to take off. And I see it now that I know it's there. And I am pulling it off. I don't know what this is about. Right. I kind of pulled that mostly off, 3/4 of the way off, so it's so hard for me to see that what that person's doing with their fingers.
Shield plate, and the cable's nicely managed. Simply lift it away from the display assembly.
Just watching everything twice.
With no adhesive on the iPhone 7 Plus LCD shield plate, and the cable's nicely managed, simply lift it away from the display assembly.
All right, I don't really see. I don't. Losing patience, I guess. I don't know. It's not going to lift away the display assembly though, because like it's attached. Like, this is attached. Like, how do I disconnect this adhesive? Like, it just looks like a bunch of finger voodoo to me. Oh, maybe I keep pulling that. Maybe that's what the tutorial does. It does look like that's the thing. I don't even know what I'm keeping here anymore. I'm like, what do I not damage? What am I keeping? That would be really useful to know, actually. Because then I'd be like, oh, am I tearing this adhesive? Is this going to make my life harder later? Yes, okay, I got it. Um, oh, wow, okay, all right. So all these little dots. Okay.
Okay, so this is the old screen. You can put this on the side. Here comes the new screen.
Wait, what?
You're going to insert the home button through the front.
Okay, so the new screen. All right, I'm so lost. Okay, so I was just harvesting those parts, and I'm harvesting the backplate. So this must be trash. Is that where we're at? I mean, that's. I want to see. I want to see what. I'm watching the other video now.
And then lift that cable up.
What timestamp? We're at 8:52, 8:59. All right, so we're at about 8:50. Let's say. I'm just gonna type in the chat. Oh no, I'm not gonna type it in chat because the keyboard's far away. I might type it into chat anyway. It's just for my own purposes, I think. Oh, maybe it'll be helpful. Oh, wait. It's gonna be 850. 850 on the Uber Geeks video. iPhone plus battery replacement. Okay. Oh,
Have the home button connection back. Okay, once you have that installed, go ahead and work on the back plate. So you want to have the flex cable insert through this hole. And once you have
okay.
it inserted, go ahead and make the adjustment, align them in the right position, and
That's,
then close it. You want to insert the home button through the front.
maybe it's 840. Maybe more like 840. I'm trying to decide if I want to keep going right now. I think I kind of do. See how far I can get here. It'll be really good if I can get this project done. That'd be cool. All right. We're going to assume that's right. We're going to grab the new screen. Okay. All right. Where are we? C8. I'm just getting the video lined up.
Here comes the new screen.
Here comes the new screen at 8:39. All right. I've never gotten this far before. And I want a battery. All right, I gotta run. And get not a battery, but a charger thing real quick. I'm gonna try something. So BRB, let's say BRB, maybe 4 minutes. I'm gonna use the restroom too. Just number one. I'm back. I'm just getting things set up here. Let's see. Just bringing in more light. I gotta get this configured. I sound funny to myself on the stream. There's a reason for it. There's a reason for the funniness. Alright, man. Alright. Time to keep going. Keep rocking and rolling. No! What'd I do? There we go. Okay. This should actually go over there. This can go there. I am just using this laptop as an extension cable right now. Let's see if it works. Let's see if power is gonna route through here to this light. Yes or no? What do you think, chat? There's no one here. There's currently no one here. And the answer is no. It will not be charging. What about if I open this and try a different thing? Nope. Alright, that's okay. We have other lights. I just go charge it over here. If it works over here, which I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, it works over here. We're gonna clip it. That's fine. It can stay right there. Okay. We got, well, by that cord. We got a couple lights here. So this is now trash, I guess. Or at least recycling. I don't know what's gonna become of this. If anyone has any ideas of what to do with old phone screens like this, I'd like to learn how to break things down into their component parts to use the raw materials. But yeah, I mean, if anyone has any ideas about that, holler at your boy, because that is, like reduce the e-waste, use this stuff. Okay, this is cool. All right, we got some tools on the back of this case that came with the thing. I don't remember where I got this. I got it forever ago. I haven't opened it. And I don't really know what to do with all these extra tools. I feel like I'm going to accumulate so many tools. Well, maybe not. I don't know. It just depends on how I learn things. But all right, let's put all these tools up there so we know where they came from. Came from this kit. So if I don't want to just put a bunch of doubles in the same spot. I don't know. Tools management is a whole thing. Um, Magnetic screw mat. Huh. Probably thought about using that. All right, what do we have here? We have some documentation. Is that what I want to call this? What did I put in here? Is that supposed to be? What's that? That's for cleaning stuff. Probably improve the workspace here. Maybe I'll clean up before the next one. Repair floor. Even in this for iPhone 7 Plus, the thing they sent you, it like for important tips, it just says part of the important tips is watch the video. Oh darn it! Ugh, I just lost chat again. It says watch the video. You will find lots of helpful repair videos that will guide you through the repair process. Yeah. Do not use excessive force. Use a heat thing. I'm just flipping through this very quickly because I don't know. I think it's good to do. I think I would do it faster if or I would do it slower if I wasn't streaming. What's that for? Anti-pry tool. Man, this is reading through this is making me want to stop. They use an anti-pry tool for something. That's the installation. Ooh, there's thermal paste on this too. All right, let's see if they use this anti-pry tool. They use the anti-pry tool is to remove the home button. Now I get that. Okay, that's what I should have used for that, rather than tweezers. Remove thermal paste. What thermal paste? Oh, I see. Yeah, okay. It wants me to the stuff that's left over on the backplate. Sorry, I'll check chat in a second. The stuff that's left over on a backplate, it wants me to remove that. And then maybe, is that thermal paste? I'm just seeing some different coloring there. I don't think that's anything. Excuse me. Okay, I need to chat back up here. Yeah. My streams are funny, man. I like long enough timeline. No one's watching. This is just how it goes right now. I don't know what the deal is, but um, they have a scratcher. It literally comes with a scratcher. I will scratch that. But not right now. Because why not? I guess. Okay, wipes, remove excessive dirt. Just gonna place these up here. What's this? It says DCX HE. That E backwards. What is that? E is like upside down. It's an A. AH. H6. What does this say on it? Please peel off this mask after application. Okay, well, maybe it says in this repair manual. Wow, this screen is heavy. Wow, that's red. Do not press the both upper corners or the LCD will be damaged. Do not pull the flex cables too hard or the cables will be damaged, resulting in LCD not working. Okay. I think I want to search some stuff and read some stuff. So here's how this is going to go down. These tools are gonna go up here. These tools that I probably already have. Almost definitely already have. And this screen, I think I'm gonna put back in here. Right? Do I want to keep going? Sometimes I just get a feeling. I'm like, I should stop. That's the feeling I'm getting right now, but I do want to keep going. I want to know what this DCX thing is. I'm going to stop. I'm going to stick with my gut, even though I don't want to. Because damaging something would be a really big bummer. It would be a really big bummer. So goodbye, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one. We will continue. But for now, thanks for dropping by.